Oh my gosh. Hi friends, Erica Simone here. Welcome to another episode of Color the World. For today's reading, can you guess where we're gonna go? I'd say a construction site. You got it. Now, do you know what this is? This is called an excavator. See, that big shovel, and it scoops up all the dirt. And this one's called a front loader. You know what? I think we should join our friend Blippi on his construction site to see all the cool trucks he has. Let's go.
Blippi at the construction site. Look at where I am. I'm in an excavator on a construction site. The bucket on an excavator can scoop dirt out of the ground. There's so many parts to me. I have a bucket, an arm, a boom, thumb, controls, cab, engine department, and tracks. I love bulldozers. They can push anything out of their way. Look at me in a bulldozer. This is the cab. I'm wearing a hard hat, a safety vest. That's the ripper. It has tracks, a lift cylinder, engine compartment, and a blade. Izzy, do you want to do the bulldozer dance with me? Bulldozers are so amazing. They make me want to dance. Come on, dance like a bulldozer with me. Raise up your hands and arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade. Then move your feet like bulldozer tracks.
Hi friends, it's Izzy Bear here. Do the dozer dance with me.
Bulldozer dance, stand up tall, on 2 feet from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high.
Look, an excavator is loading rocks into a dump truck. Now the dump truck is dumping out the rocks. Want to hear how that sounds? The dump truck has so many different parts. It has a cab, a dump bed, tailgate, lift cylinder, and wheels. Can you guess how many wheels a dump truck has? You got it. It has 6 wheels. Check out this backhoe. It has a bucket in the front and a bucket in the back. The front bucket is really big. There's so many parts to this backhoe. It has an arm, cab, a boom, a steering wheel, an engine compartment, a front bucket, a back bucket, big wheels, and smaller wheels. Oh my gosh, Izzy, let's do the backhoe dance. Now, it's time for the backhoe dance. Let's dance like the front bucket of a backhoe first. Raise and lower your arms in front of you. Now, let's dance like the back bucket of a backhoe.
An excavating machine digging in the earth, but this old machine is digging backwards. It's got a bucket attached to a hinge and a...
Hey friends, did you enjoy that reading? I surely did. I had a great time on Blippi's construction site. Now, if you would like to see more Blippi books on our channel, I think you should put a comment below. And don't forget, Wednesday, we have a colorful activity just for you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!